left 2 lanes to continue straight on 1 EDSA North.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And if you guys can see, it's morning face. Good morning, y'all. It's currently 5:28 in the morning and we're heading somewhere in the north. Pero yun, sobrang sponty lang nito. We're gonna go to Zambales today. May mga need lang kaming asikasuhin, i-check, and nasabay na rin namin yung gala for today. Malalaman nyo, I'll share it with you guys in a bit kung ba tayo pupunta ng Zambales. But for today, here's me, here's him driving, and we're with my mom and my brother. Nandiyan sila sa likod. Dito na tayo sa NLEX. Sobrang bilis. Malapit lang naman yung Zambales, guys. It's, I think, 3-hour drive. Max na yun. Ayun, nagka-issue pala kami kanina with the toll. Nag-load naman kami, pero hindi pumasok yung load agad. So, nag-insufficient balance siya. Guys, we're stuck. Nag-insufficient balance din. Oh my God. We're just calling the NLEX hotline. Pero nito kami sa NLEX. Wala kami kasi nun. Walang tao dito sa toll. So, medyo matagal kami na-stuck doon kasi walang attendant. We had to call pa sa call center nila para ma-assist. Pero ang ending, pinalakad din naman kami. Akala kasi namin walang tao. Nag-bibibip kami pero walang sumasagot. Lumakad na lang ako. Lumabas ako ng tollway, expressway para makapunta sa isang booth sila ticket assist us. Yun lang naman yung happening so far. So, let's go to the way again. See ya! So, we're gonna book lang later. Wala pa kaming nahanap na place talaga at nabubook. Pero may mga napag-enquirean na ako. Medyo may conflict lang ng onte kasi an hour away yung second stop namin. Tapos yung mga gusto kong i-book na mga resorts or preferably resorts na gusto namin is nasa Liuliwa, which is an hour away ulit. Or 50 minutes away from sa second stop namin. So, medyo nag-aalangan pa ako. Pero, never pa kami nakapunta sa Liuliwa. We've been planning to go there for years, pero hindi pa rin kami natutuloy. So, I think na, ito na yun, love. Yay! Ito na yan. Sana, ito na yan. So, yun lang. So, nangyayari tayo sa Subic, guys. We're inside Freeport now. And we're 59 minutes away from San Antonio, Zambales. And I spelled it. Yes, we're going to Zambales today. Again, for some errands lang. Bukang dalab.
Ito yung bakante. Itong dalawa sa gilid.
Ayaw po yan po yung gusto ni Nani.
Yan na lang yung bakante. Kaya lang 3,000 per square meter. Pag summer, pwede kayo mag-picnic.
Kaya malawak.
Kaya malawak, kinuha nilang ganun.
Oo.
Pinagamit muna namin. Kaya itong haba nito, almost na ito siguro 300 square meter. Baka umabot na ng 500 square meter lahat. Bakante. Ayan.
Look at that, guys.
Tagapampanga. Sige, sobrang niya namang bilis ng trade dito.
Look at that, guys. Hindi
Pilipinas.
So, ito na siya.
Pagpapaan lang.
Ito po.
So, ganyan yan. Diyan tayo.
okay.
Lahat nakaharap doon ang lot. 2,500 per square meter. Pero
Ilang
nakalis siya ng 15 siguro. Bibigyan ko ka 15% less.
Gaano po kalaki yung cut?
Depende. Ang minimum cut natin is 100.
Ganda.
Ayun, nagbabaw na sila ng tubig dyan.
Paano po?
Nagbabaw na tayo.
Ang harap, lahat pag
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa isa pang lupa na binibenta. Ito naman, kita-kita yung mountain view. And ayun, itong hilerang to, ito daw ipipresell. So, ito yung another lot na binibenta nila here. This is way better. Like, kita mo yung mountains and all, like, buong mountains. And paharap daw lahat ng lots dito. Pero, yun. Let's check and see. Yan, simularo, I think, dito hanggang doon yung binibenta.
Ng bahay mo, may second floor, may rooftop. Oo. Dito pa kasi naman yung aerial view dito eh.
Ang ganda!
Dito ka, parang
Wow! Look at that! That's the mountain! So, yung kinukuha naming lupa doon is magkano? 220k ata? 220k. And that's for 15 months. Nakuha namin siya ng 100 square meters. Kain daw muna tayo.
Ang ganda ka.
Ayan, ang ganda. Wow. Ang ganda pala dito. So, welcome to Casita Leticia. So, this is what we got here in Costas del Liwa. So, when you open it, hindi ko alam kung makikita niyo, pero this is how it looks like. Mayroong attic doon. And then, may beds. And then, very small lang din naman siya. Meron ditong table, AC na rin pala to. And that's the mirror. The bed naman. Malambot naman siya. We got it for 4 packs. So, yun lang. Okay lang. Tulugan lang naman to. Kailangan na magpahinga. And then, they also have pool outside. And then, we're gonna go to the beach later. So, meron silang mga parang casitas here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na casitas. And yun yung itsura niya sa loob kanina. They also have here a swimming pool. And I think ito ata yung pambata. And they have full size there. And if you're gonna look at the vibes, Para siyang, I'd say, ano ba, bohemian na Greeky, you know? Greeky, may ganun ba? I mean, like, you know the vibe, you know, the summer vibes. Ano pang mga ganitong chairs where you guys can chill. And ang reason ko ba't namin to binook is really the Wi-Fi. Kasi I have work later and kailangan ko mag-secure ng Wi-Fi. So, malakas na yung Wi-Fi dito, which I check naman. Malakas nga. Until dun sa room. So, yun. Let's get the things lang. And then, dali natin dun sa bahay namin. So, yun lang. So, this is the common area or the restroom. They have billiards as well. That's the receptionist. Meron din silang mga parang cabanas here. May mga small din sila na mga teepees and all. Ayun yung mga small teepees. And may mga mini cabanas in here. Lipat lang natin yung car. So guys, look at the place. Sa parking area lang to. And punong-puno siya ng, I'd say, pine trees. But if I'm not mistaken, these are pine trees. Or species ng pine trees. So lilipat lang kami dun sa kabilang parking lot. Kasi dun daw yung parking lot nila. Look at this, guys. Ay, ang ganda dun, no? Ito yung pathway going to and going out dun sa hotel na pinagsistayan namin. So, ayun. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch. So, we're gonna grab some food lang. Hindi na kami napag-search ng resto here. Pero sabi naman ni Kuya, marami naman daw resto here or cafes. So, we're gonna find some restaurant saan tayo pwedeng mag-lunch and then probably coffee kasi I have work later. Tignan natin dito sa Mami Phoebe's place. Ayun yung ano nila. Tingnan natin. Ayun. Tala, check natin. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mami Phoebe's place. Parang local na food place dito sa Liwa-Liwa. Umorder na kami ng food. We got grilled yempo and sisig plus drink. I mean, drink. Ako lang pala yung kumain na lang. Pero, yun. And then after this, we're gonna go to the beach na. Let's check it. It's my first time here, so I don't know what to really expect. But I've heard a lot of good things about this place naman, so I'm really excited. Medyo patay lang yung vibe. It's because it's a weekday. Pero nevertheless, yun. Yun lang naman. We got yempo, grilled yempo, and then sisig. Ang sisig nila dito walang mayo. Sisig nila walang mayo. Let's eat na. So, tapos na namin kumain, guys. And we're heading to the beach. We're not sure if this is the one, pero sabi to daw. So, diretsuhin lang natin. Look at this, guys. Medyo mahaba yung lakaran. Going here. Pero, I think it's worth it. I can see the waves already. And parang perfect yung sunset. So, guys, look at the beach. We're here already. So, this is Liwa. Parang, dun yung, proper. Mas maraming tao dun, or I don't know. But it's the same. Look at the waves! Oh my god. Wow. Ang ganda ng waves, dude. It's clear. What? Clear siya, in fairness. Kasi nagpupunta na kami sa surf spot, diba? Sa Real. And yung mga surf spot doon, or yung beach doon, hindi ganito kalinaw. Like, sobrang linaw ng tubig pag humahampas sa shore. Ang ganda! Oh my god! Look at the baby girl. Ang ganda, ang linaw, I swear. Like, look at that. It's so clear. What? Or nasanay lang ako sa dagat ng Real. Kasi, for the past, how many... Wow, look! For the past how many years, guys? Or for the past, I guess, 1 to 2 years. That's one thing na, or that's the common beach pinupuntahan namin because mas malapit siya sa amin. And we wanted to go here in Zambales or Liuliwa. Kaso na nagpunta kami dito sa Zambales, nagsubik na lang kami. And we plan to go to the coves here, like nagsasa Anawangan and all. Pero umulan kasi, sobrang lakas ng ulan nun. So, hindi na namin tinuloy. And yeah, we've been planning to go to Liuliwa and this is what we got. Look at that. Sobrang ganda! I swear, ang linis ng tubig. Water. Me, say hi! So, we're here na sa beach, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me, pero yun, we're done taking pictures na. But it's the sunset, yun. It's almost sunset. Yun, we're just waiting for the sun to set, and then balik na ako later kasi I have a meeting pa. Yun lang. Look at that view, guys. Look at that. There's him doing his stuff, so yeah, and I'm doing mine. Sinasama yung camera! Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can see me. Sana may mga restaurants pa na open. It's so dark in here. Yeah. So ito yung palabas. Ganito yung itsura niya paggabi. Dito sa place na nabook namin. Ito lang may flashlight kami. We're back again here sa bridge. Ito naman yung itsura niya paggabi. Tingnan natin. Feeling ko pa naman may party pa naman. Pero, hindi ko lang alam kung open pa yung mga restaurants. Which is, hopefully, kahit isa. I wanna try kasi sobrang tahimik dito. Maybe because it's a weekday. Pero, yun. Hanap lang tayo ng makakainan again. Hey guys, so it's dinner time. It's around 8 p.m. na. Nandito ulit kami sa Mommy Evie's place. Kasi sarado na mostly ng mga restaurants here. And ayaw na namin pumunta ng shore kasi medyo madulim yung daan. Sige, bukas. Meron ka na agad order bukas. So, yun. Masarap naman yung food nila dito. And mura. Sobrang mura ng food nila dito. Like, pwede mong gastusin sa ibang bagay yung pangkain mo. Anyway, hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na sa inyo yung mga reasons why we are here. So, initially, ang rason kung ba't kami nandito is we're eyeing to buy a lot here in Zambales. In San Antonio, Zambales. So, chinek namin yung lot. And then, chinek din namin yung location, kung kamusta yung lot. And nung na-check namin, okay naman siya. Goods din yung pwesto niya. like nasa main road siya. Sementalo na rin yung daan. So, we're planning to buy a lot here in Zambales kasi malapit na siya sa beach. Like 10 minutes away lang siya sa beach. Parang magiging rest house if ever, or bakasyonan lang. So, this is sinigang na salmon plus this beef steak. Like, gusto niya na beef steak. And then 5 rice. So, yun na. Bon appetit, y'all! So, it's morning, guys. It's the following day. And nag-coffee lang kami. Dito ulit. Binilan ko ng shake yesterday. Mas calmer yung water ngayon compared sa mga waves nung hapon na. Pero ayan, ganda dito. Masarap yung chocolate drink na dito. Papakita ko sa inyo. Nag-TV sila. Ang init! Okay, I'm just chilling here. Ito yun, guys. Ito yung masarap na chocolate drink dito sa Ayla. Alam mo lang pronunciation, pero I-Y-L-A. Ano to? Choco banana. Pero yung chocolate niya, it's like from Baterol daw. Na known dito. So, yeah. Second drink ko na. Huh? So, we have kare-kare, bako salad. Ito yung bihon. Bye! It's going home time. Deposit secured. It's going home time. Minataanan lang tayo sa Registry of Deeds sa Iba Zambales to check the document. Tapos, kapag okay naman na, magre-reserve na kami for the lot na kukunin namin. And then, diretso biyahe na tayo. Kasi, may pasok pa ako later. So, ayun. Yan lang naman yung quick update so far. So, yeah, we had so much fun. Then sa villa namin, kasita namin. And then here din. So, babalik kami dito for sure. Kasi, we really like the beach. And then, yung people are nice din. And, affordable naman siya. So, it's really a budget-friendly trip for us. Medyo, nagkaroon lang ng mga issues along the way sa toll. Pero, so far, so good naman. So, yay! We're gonna miss this. Nakailang balik din kami sa bridge na to. Hindi ko alam kung part ba to ng dagat or man-made or lake or I don't know. Pero yun lang. I'll see you in a bit. I'll see you guys in a bit. Update namin kayo sa kung ano yung magiging kalalabasan nung pag-check namin ng document. Ito yun natin. Alas tayo in a bit.